Welcome in my channel. um, and see is a memo local crossing railgate. A very exciting moment, medium speed, as this is one more passenger train. It's an open line, and it's also not max speed. It's 80 to 85 kilometer per hour, and rail policeman on duty, and that train is passing more than 100 kilometer per hour speed. It's approaching to the station, but still it's 100 kilometer per hour speed. It's a wonderful. This is the top view of local train. It's a more than 120 kilometer per hour speed. As one more yellow local is crossing, and 120 kilometer per hour speed probably. It's wonderful to see, and again it is on the gate, crossing local on gate. It's a open line gate. Again it is crossing one more train, rail gate, level crossing rail gate. It is wonderful and a moment. I hope you enjoying with this video. Yellow local, and the opposite direction mail NGP Vistadome train, NGP Howrah. It's a new Jalpaiguri Howrah. It's a wonderful class 1 train. So it's a merging of a local train altogether, and made this wonderful video. I hope you are enjoying with this. Please subscribe and share among your friends, and watch generously, and comment so that we can improve. Once again, it's a top view of a local train. It's a very rare view. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.